Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you know, my name is Ella Junkie. I'm a business development team leader with the Forex trading company. You are in school, and if you want to learn about Forex trading, you are in West Africa, you want to learn Forex trading, you are in Ghana, you are in Togo, Zambia, Nigeria, you want to learn about Forex trading, you are welcome into our office. You can also call us on 05 +233 501471104. You can also send me a mail to elomajunkie@outlook.com or at gmail.com. So today what we are coming to do is very simple and very simple. Yesterday video that I did, I focused on how to do a manual calculation for your gain on your loss if you're using a signal service from any signal group. So today I will use an automated one. So I have few brokers that I've dealt with, and one of my favorites one is Forex. The reason is simple. The reason is that because they have a wallet. The wallet that allow me to move any amount from my wallet to my trading account. I have like 4 10 accounts with my broker. If I have a $5,000 in my wallet, I can move 50 50, 100 100, 20 20, 200 200 to any of my accounts. That's the beauty of it. When you make profits, you can move the profits from that account from your wallet, from your account back to your wallet. So that's one of the beautiful reasons why I like Forex. So apart from that too, they have some nice tool, a very nice tool, automated tools that you can really use when it comes to trading. If you want to understand your position, how much position that you need to calculate to get to use your margin or so on, they have a nice one. Today our focus will be a position size calculator. So let's go. And I did a video about leverage. So those who don't understand what leverage is all about, you can kindly go to my YouTube channel and check how to use a leverage, how leverage affects trading. So I'll give it. So guys, let's start. So first and foremost, you need to really register with the broker. You go online, you type www.hotforex.com. You provide your name and everything, you register, and from there on, you are allowed to open a trading account and so on. By providing your identity and your bank statement and so on. I won't do much about that. So this is the broker account. You have about the company, anything you want to know, if there are regulation and license, security from, because that's one of the best things when you're choosing a broker. Apart from you checking whether they have a good spread, commission and swap, you also have to look at if they are regulated, if they have the license to operate, if they have insurance, if they are insured. I hope you get it. This is the kind of thing you also, if they are a dealer desk or non-dealer desk, the kind of broker, the kind of client you are, if you're in the ebook or big book, those kind of things you should really know about them. So today, my focus will be on, you have the accounts, any account you want, premium, micro, and so on, the platform, MT475, the tools, the education, promotion, partners, and investment. Today we focus on tools. When you click on tools, it will send you to a place where you have several tools like tutorials about how to go about opening an account within it, so on. I also have a position size calculator. So we come straight to this side. So we come straight to position size calculator. Here it is. So I hope you get it. So today, our topic is very brief. It's how to use all these tools, how to use position size calculator, how to use the risk percentage calculator. So the focus will be that. So let's go. As you can see, position size calculator free tools that lets you to calculate the size of the position in units and lot size to accurately manage your risk. It works with all major symbols. It requires the minimum input value, but allows you to tune it finally to your specific needs. All you need to do is to fill the form below and press the calculate button. So here we go. We have the account currency. We have US dollar, euro, and so on. So I mostly use US dollar. You have the leverage. You have the type. You have the forex currency, the metal, the energy indices, share, commodity, cryptocurrency, and bonds. We have the symbols. We have the Euro, USD, anything you want here. The major and the minor exotic express. We have the a calculate margin and they calculate volume. So let's start with the calculate volume. So when you open an account and choose a leverage, and let's say you use 1:1000. As I said earlier, I have a video on leverage on my YouTube channel at Elo Majonke. So this video will be still as well, so you can subscribe, and every day you can get anything you want from my YouTube videos, tutorials, anything you want to know about Forex. So I'm using 1:1000. I'm using USD, and my margin is, so let's go back. I'm using 1:1000 Forex USD, and I only want to use, looking at my account size, let's say I have, my account size is $100. This is the balance I have. I'm doing this video mostly for people who just start Forex, they just want to try how it works. So $100. And looking at I have $100. I only want to use, let's say, $10. 10 for my margin. That's how much I want to use. So which volume lot size can I go for? Automatically I have the result here. So I can only use 0.09 for only one trade, and they will be my margin for $10. I hope you get it. Using 1:1000 and my margin is 10, my volume size could be 0.9. It's good, or it could be risky to us. So let's bear all this in mind. It's good to go for this steps. You need to be very careful. I hope you get it. So this is one of the things we have. The highest volume you can say, let's say you can use 0.09. Only one trade, because it's a $100 account, guys. So let's say that because of the margin, the leverage I'm using, leverage simply means like your account times, leverage simply means that your account times the number of leverage, your account size, let's say $100 times 1,000, that will be giving you 100,000. So leverage simply means that you are borrowing money from a broker to increase your profits. Your main balance is $100, but the leverage gives you opportunity to make more profits. I hope you get it. So let's say it's 100, 1:100, and you know your main balance out $100 times 100, that will give you 10,000. So how much, if you want to use your margin, will be 10. So how much less can you go for? You see, you can only go for 0.01. So guys, this concludes this. The small leverage, people don't like it, I know, but it helps you to manage your account. It really helps you to manage your account. So let's go for a lower one. So let's go for 1:50. You see, this is what it's showing. The minimum I can only use here, as I can see, is like 0.01. We have 0.001, but the one that's the broker can allow me to use 0.01, because this one is 0. Let's just look at this. 0.00. So you can also use 0.01, because you have the leverage is 1:50. Now let's go for this. Let's say your account size is 1:2000. It means that your balance here times 2,000, that will be giving almost 200,000. How much will be your volume? How much volume can you lose? 0.18. For me, I can easily say that you are putting your account at risk. The more you use a higher leverage, the more it gives you profits, but the more you are putting your account at risk. I hope all is clear. So let's go back to margin. My account size, my volume, my account leverage is 1:2000. My account currency is US dollar, and I'm using $100 accounts. Yeah, it is $100 account, and I'm using 1:2000. And if I'm using 0.1, just imagine this. This is how much will be my leverage. Automatically, you put 0.1. Automatically, you put 0.1 using the leverage of 1:2000. Automatically, your account will be in red. automatically accounts will be in red. Let me tell you, accounts will be in red. It will show in red automatically. So where do you find, where can you find those things? So let me show you this. So here we are. So when you open a trade, you'll be seeing things like this. These things. When you go to terminal, so you will see your balance, your equity, your margin, your free margin, and your margin level. This account is 1:100. And you see, I use 0.02, and my margin is 2.84. The balance is 4,995.86 dollars. My equity is 4,994.38. My margin is 2.84. And my free margin is the free margin is the amount I can, if I want to withdraw the money, this is the only amount that I can withdraw. I can only withdraw, like I can withdraw 1,000, 2,000, 4,000 at my own risk. So guys, let's understand this. And the lot size I'm using is 0.02. That's my lot size. So guys, now understand is that if the more you use when you use let's say a bigger lot size, a bigger leverage, it's good. But at the same time, you'll be putting your account at risk. So this is my account is the leverage is 1:1,000, and if I'm using 0.1, please see my leverage. And I said earlier on, the account type I'm using, my account is $100 account. $100 account. So automatically I play this trade using the account will be in red because the margin is even more than even my balance. I hope you get it. So let's try to reduce it to 1,000 USD. When I reach 2,000, this is my margin. At least it's moderate. I hope you get it. Let's move it to 1:100. You can also see the same thing. So guys, all because my lot size is very high. I'm using 0.1, and you know the number of peak value for USD is $10 for $10 for a standard lot size. $10 for standard lot size. So just imagine 0.1. Even my account will be in red. If I go for 0.05, let's see how much my leverage will be. I think it has been reduced to half. So I'll be risking 50% of my $100 using a 0.05 lot size and a leverage of 1:100. Guys, you see how it is? Do you see how it is? You see how it is? The same thing. So I almost say to people that the highest you can use, let's say you can use for a $100 account, when you have 1:100, leverage is 0.02, and you place one trade at a time. So now, guys, let's go to risk percentage calculator. Risk percentage calculator. With the Forex Risk Percentage calculator, you can easily calculate your lot size by specifying the amount, percentage of your balance that you are prepared to risk, the opening and stop loss price. So guys, so let's do with the risk percentage calculator. So this is the account currency, US dollar, the currency pair USD, the opening price. We are using USD, so let's use this price. So the opening price is 1.12124. Let's sell, go short. The stop loss will be 1.12281, and the balance is $100 as well. And I only want to lose 3% of the account. So let's click on calculate and see what will be the result. So here there's a result. So I want to use 3% of my account. The stop loss is 15 pips. 15 pips. As you can see, 15 pips. So let's go back here and make sure something is right. So here is 15 pips. So if you want to use exactly what we have here, let's calculate it to see if it's the same. Exactly 15 pips. 15 pips. You remember yesterday we did this calculation. We did this calculation yesterday manually. So 15 point something pips. So I hope we all get this. So 15 pips, and my lot size will be 0.02. 0.02. I hope you are fine. So let's say that I'm using a $500 account, $500 account. I want to only use 10% of my account. So 15 pips because of the lot size. The difference between my entry price and the stop loss is 15 pips. So let's do the calculation and see the lot size I can use. So the high lot size I can use is 0.32. 0.32. Guys, I hope this video, people really enjoy this video. As I said, if you want to know any information about this, just go on Google, type www.hotforex.com. You go, you register, and you have all these tools. When you go to tools itself on the platform, tools. You go to tools, trading tools, you click on trading tools, you have all this trading calculators, multi-target calculator, Fibonacci calculator, pivot point calculator, peak value calculator, positioning size calculator, risk and reward calculator, and risk percentage calculator. This video will be on my channel as Eloma Janke. And guys, you can use this. This is really helpful. I always tell people that Forex is a business. Forex is not just like something just you treat as anything just like that. Forex is the business. So if you want a business that is making you money, you need to really take it serious. So guys, go to on this website. It really help you. For those who don't want to use this manual thing, you can always also use this automated one. The next time I will show you how to do your own calculation, the manual one, and have a table for it, looking at the account size you have. I hope you guys enjoy this. As you know, my name is Eloma Janke, and I'm a business development team leader at Forex Institute. So to get my number is +233 50 147 1104. You can send me a mail to elomajanke@outlook.com or at gmail.com. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, you can call me. You can send me a message. If you have any suggestion, any mistake I've made, guys, you are free to correct. So thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your day. Thank you wherever you are across the world. Good morning, good afternoon. Bye.